WF Wells is a saw made up in Michigan. It can be difficult to find parts for. We stock a lot of blade guides, a lot of roller guides, some of the seals, a lot of the belts. Another thing that we stock for WF Wells is a full line of custom welded bandsaw blades and a variety of tooth pitch configurations. We get the customer the exact blade he needs for his application to his doorstep quickly and efficiently. Our customer service reps will help you get the right blade for the job that you need. There's no place easier to get bandsaw blades than Sawblade.com. It's a very intuitive website. You put them in your cart, you click checkout, and we ship the blades within 24 hours. Sawblade.com prides itself on being a customer-centric company. To do that, we have to be a vertically integrated company where we make our own bandsaw blades, we make our own parts, and we make our own how-to videos, put it into a package and deliver it and all the customer service to the end user, which impacts their experience positively.